Hi guys, good day sa inyong lahat. And of course, Michelle this is back in the kitchen again. And this time I will be magbe-bake ako ng of course banana cake. Ayan, so I have this 2 overripe bananas. This is a 1 cup of butter. I'm gonna put a vanilla essence, so 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of milk. I will be using brown sugar para mas maano yung aking banana cake. And of course, a teaspoon of baking powder. And this is the flour. That's 1.5 cup of raising flour. So, ayan. Mag-start na ako mag-bake in a while. This is actually our breakfast for tomorrow. Ayan. So, para tipid kami ni Jake. Ayan. So, the first step that I'm going to do is to melt the butter in a very low heat fire. I-melt lang natin siya. Then gradually lalagay natin ang sugar. Namiss ko mag-bake. It's been a while. Ito sa mixer, ilalagay ko na yung dry ingredients. Ayan. 1 and 1.5 cups of raising flour. Then the baking powder. So, after kong i-mix yung flour and baking powder, now it's time to put the butter and brown sugar. Ayan. Then, i-blend ko na siya. I-mix ko na siya. Let's add the milk. Gradually lang din. Tingnan natin. Ayan, mix na natin siya. Let me put the milk again. Let's add the vanilla essence. And lastly, lalagay ko mamaya yung banana, yung smash kong banana, ayan. It's time to add the banana. All the ingredients, I have added all the ingredients na. Last kong nilagay is yung banana. also done the mixing. What I will do is to rest this itong aking banana cake for like maybe for a while lang, 30 seconds. I-rest ko lang siya before I put them in the oven. Ayan. Pangit ng ilaw ko, no? So the next step is ipi-preheat ko muna yung oven. Ayan. 200 degrees. Dito ko siya ilalagay. Look guys, ayan, para parehong yung taas and baba maluto siya. So 10 minutes ko siyang ipi-preheat. Habang pinipreheat ko yung oven, ilalagay ko naman ang aking banana cake sa pan. Ayan, my square pan is ready na for my banana cake. And I have to ensure that I have the baking paper sheet para hindi magdikit yung banana cake later dito sa aking ginagamit na pan. Let's pour it. Ayan, okay na ang aking nailagay ko na siya sa baking pan. Rest din pag may time siya. Habang ako'y nagpipreheat pa ng oven, it will be definitely my soft banana bread. Matutuwa na naman si MC nito. Guys, ito na siya after 40 minutes. Ayan, tinanggal ko na siya sa oven. So, palalamigin ko siya. Then later, i-slice ko na siya. Ang bango. Ayan guys, ready na ang aking banana cake. Ini-slice ko siya na parang brownie. Look. Let me show you. See, very soft. Diba? Soft siya. So, ayan guys, thank you. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa aking banana cake, soft banana cake. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.